Hello students, how are you? Wish you fine. Good morning everyone. Okay. Today in this lecture video we will study about electric potential. Okay. That means what is electric potential, which device is used to measure it, and what is its unit. So let's start their definition. So before we going to learn or study about definition of it, we have to know about electric field. That is, what is electric field? So we know that the similar charge always repel each other and opposite charge always attract each other. That means two charges make a force on each other, either they are positive or negative. Okay. So an electric charge create a field around it. So what is electric field? The region around a charge in which any other charge feel force. Okay. That means let's suppose that this is a charge Q. This is charge Q, and therefore electric field must be created around it. That means any charge, that means electric field is created around any charge. Okay. Let's suppose that this region is of electric field. So electric potential is defined as, it is defined as the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to point P in an electric field. Okay. What definition say? Let's suppose that if we bring a smaller charge Q, that means its value is less than this. That means if we bring this charge towards this, that means if we bring a unit positive charge whose value is less towards the greater value of charge, that means in an electric field, then we feel a force. We feel a opposite force. Okay. And if we bring this at a point P, then we also attain some displacement. Okay. That means we feel force and displacement, and therefore work done is equal to force into displacement. Work done is equal to what? Force into displacement. Therefore potential is defined as, it is defined as the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to point P in an electric field. That means here I am explaining that how work is done, because the definition of work done is force into displacement. Therefore from where force is exerted and how we attain a displacement. Okay. So if we bring a positive charge Q towards the capital charge Q, then we feel a force and we attain a displacement. and therefore that means we have to do a work. That means we done a work done in bringing this charge from infinity to point P. That means therefore mathematically it is expressed as let W be the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to point P. Let W be the work done in bringing a unit positive charge Q from infinity to point P in an electric field. Electric field is denoted by E. Therefore, I have given a symbol. Then potential or electric potential. Electric potential is given as V is equal to work done by Q. V is equal to work done by Q. Okay. Next, what is the unit of potential? So, unit of potential is volt, and if you define what is 1 volt, then 1 volt is equal to unit of work done is equal to joule, and unit of charge is equal to coulomb. That means 1 joule per coulomb. 1 joule per coulomb. That means 1 volt is equal to what? 1 joule per coulomb. That means if we required a 1 joule of work done, 1 joule of work done in bringing a 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to this point, then this work done is called 1 volt. Repeat again. That means if we need of 1 joule of work done in bringing a 1 coulomb, then potential is 1 volt, and if we need 2 joule in bringing a unit positive charge, then potential is 2 volt. That means 2 volt is equal to what? 2 joule per coulomb. 2 joule by per coulomb. That means 2 joule per coulomb. Okay. And next step, by which instrument we measure the potential of device. So the device which is used to measure the potential is voltmeter. Okay, what? Voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device which is used to measure a potential of any electric circuit. Okay, so this is for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching video. Okay.